there, I'm going to show you how to dismantle the xylophone. Pretty easy. First thing you want to do is put away the wooden keys. So we get a hold of the first of these, it doesn't matter which order you do. I have here the one that says, has a label on it. Here, two of these covers, one's larger than the other. There we go. This one's got the sharp label on it. So we're going to use that for the top keys, what would be the black keys on the piano. And we lay it out the same shape as the keys. They go wide to narrow, wide to narrow. So that's ready. I just need to release this. And then release this at the other end. And we have a set ready to move. So it's probably better to do this onto the floor, but I'll just do it here because it's elevated. And it's much easier if you've got someone else to help you with these, by the way. We just wrap up the cover, match up the Velcro, and then we roll it up from the narrow end. Just roll it up. The fabric obviously protects the wood. Roll the Velcro round and attach it on this end. Done. This can go into bag number 5. And you just lay it down like that into the bag. And now I'm going to do the same thing for the white keys. The label says natural. The next thing we need to do is to release these bars here. This is like an anchoring system. Just remove that one, put it back in there for storage. One in the center here, we lift it up and swivel it round to sit into its housing. And then this one here, lift it up, swivel it round and push it back in. Okay, so now I'm going to put these resonators away, and they're going to go into bag number 4, slightly triangular shape. Just take care with these resonators. It doesn't matter which order we take them out in. We just lift it up, just ease it out gently, that's it, and release the center. All you have to do is just lift it out. It folds in half, and we're going to put it away with the deep end in the deep end of this carry bag. There's a divider in the bag to go between the two sets of resonators. Now I'm going to lift the other one up, just easing it out gently. And again, releasing this hook so that you can fold it and place this in the bag. Again, make sure you just have the separator, the divider between the two sets of resonators just for their protection. Zip it up, done. Right. Into this bag, we're going to put our 4 sets of framing pieces. I usually put 2 underneath that and 2 on top of that. So let's just start with number 4. They can come out in any order you like. Again, just ease them out. Sometimes you have to go up fairly evenly. I like to store them away with the number sticker facing up, so that whoever's using it next can see at a glance which one it is. Number 1 is always nearest the percussionist, and number 4 is always nearest the audience. Okay, now we're going to remove the 2 ends, and it's just a matter of unscrewing there sufficiently. the box. It's the shorter rectangle with a divider. I always put the smooth edge on the outer edges, and these bits come into the centre. Long and short. That divider between them to protect. Next thing, we just need to release this crossbar. So first thing first, let's quickly undo these 4 struts. Goes back up there to be secured. Okay, that's that. The next thing to do is release the centre screw here, and it just slides apart. Should undo this. Okay, and then come back here and release these. Be very careful because these parts are quite heavy. Now this will just slide into one of these. Do it carefully to protect the bag. Don't be quick about it, just do it carefully. And the Velcro goes up. And then the other side. Release it at the bottom. Less volume for them. Okay, that gives us just one bag. It's the bag that holds the sides and the wheels. You'll see that when it goes in here, you've got a pouch for each of the wheels and those big bulky bits, one on each side between them. So I think it's safe to sort of have it resting on the ground because it's quite bulky. And you want to release one of these wheels, one there and one there. Comes out, lay it down while you do the other one, or between your knees if it's convenient, whatever's easiest for you. Lifts out. Okay, so I'm going to put this away in here. I would put this down with that bit between the 2 wheel pouches. Can you see that? That goes around that way. Prongs sticking up and a wheel on each of these. I should have shown you when it was all assembled. There's a handle here, and when you've got your xylophone all assembled, turn that handle to raise or lower it to the percussionist's required height. So there you have it. We've got the xylophone packed away into 5 bags. Make sure everything's put away carefully and that there are 5 bags on the truck.